control the robot, we are going to use the Kuka Sunrise Toolbox. Open your browser and type Kuka Sunrise Toolbox. Hit enter. Go to GitHub. And then download the files. Download as zip. Extract the files. I'm gonna extract them to the C. Can extract them to any folder. Then click OK. Those files contain the source code for the Kuka Sunrise application. Also, it contains the MATLAB client that you are going to use to control the robot. Now, after you have extracted the files, open the Sunrise workbench and you have to create a new project. Right click, Sunrise project. Here you have to add the ID of the robot. Please go to tutorial 1 to know how to get the ID of the robot. Then next, give your project a new name, for example KST 1.6. Then click next. Here you choose your robot, the LBR 14 kilo or the 7 kilos. Then choose the flange that's mounted on your robot, for example pneumatic, electric. Then next, finish. Again finish. And here you have a new project. Now we have to add the source code for the Kuka Sunrise server to the newly created project. Open the folder Kuka Sunrise server source code. Now go to the source code for your own robot, for example the 7R800. Copy the files. You have to copy the files to a package. Create a new package, call it LBR examples applications. Finish, copy the files and paste them to the newly created package. Now here you notice that we have errors. Those errors are because we have to import direct servo and the smart servo packages. We are using them, but we didn't reference them yet. So you have to go to the station setup file, then you have to go to the software, then you have to import the smart servo and the direct servo. All you have to do is to check the boxes near them. So we check the boxes of the direct servo and the smart servo. Then we go and hit save. And the errors disappeared. Right now you are ready to synchronize. But first we have to establish the connection between the robot and between the computer. So you have to go to the network adapter. You have to change the adapter options. You have to assign a static IP to your computer. The static IP of the computer shall be in the range of the static IP of the robot. So you have to click on the TCP/IP version 4. Then notice that the first and the second numbers of the IP of the computer and the robot are the same. Now the third and the fourth, they shall be different. You choose the subnet mask. OK, close. Right now we established the connection between them both, between the robot and between the computer. Then you have to synchronize. By clicking on this icon up there, you are synchronizing. Then execute.